Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is the Dadpreneur Zach Shaheed, the creator of Dominate Social Media. And on this video, I want to share with you a tool that you can use to create more leverage in your business. Now, before we jump into the tool, if you have not joined our Facebook group yet, make sure you just type in Dominate Social Media inside of the Facebook search and request access to our Facebook group, Dominate Social Media. We have a lot of free training in there that will help you become a marketing beast if you implement what you learn. So make sure you request access to Dominate Social Media. Now, all business owners, whether you are a traditional business owner, a network marketer, or affiliate marketer, they are always looking for ways to create more leverage in their business, because when you can create leverage, you actually have the potential to reach more people without you doing all of the work. You create, 24/7 opportunity for your business. So that's what leverage does for any business owner. Now, again, all business owners, whether you are traditional, network marketer, affiliate marketer, the one thing that we all have to get as business owners is we have to get new customers, new clients on a regular basis, right? And the one thing that all of our customers have in common is that they have a cell phone. All of our customers have a cell phone. Most of your customers, they are doing everything on their cell phone. A cell phone is not just for phone calls anymore, right? They're doing text messages, social media, email. People are running, 6-figure and 7-figure businesses from their cell phone. So if you have a product or service that you are trying to promote to your ideal customer, why are you not getting your information directly to them on their cell phone? And another thing that we all have as business owners is we all have a phone number, right? We all have a phone number to where our customers can call and they can request to speak to us to get more information about our product or service. But if you are trying to create leverage, then you don't need to be spending hours a day on the cell phone trying to close out your clients. There is a more leveraged way to pre-qualify people on the phone without you physically being on the phone for hours a day. And that's the tool that I'm going to share with you all today. So in order for you to get a real example of how this tool can work for you, let me go ahead and put my phone number on the screen. So what I want you to do is I want you to call my phone number. And what you're going to see is when you call that number, there is going to be an automated message with me, thanking my customers for calling that number. And it's going to send them an automatic text message as soon as they call that number. Now, I'm in the network marketing industry, so I'm always looking to get new people looking at my company's presentation. So when they call that number, my number is going to send them a link to where they could take a free tour of my company's product, services, and comp plan. So imagine being a network marketer or affiliate marketer and you're trying to reach thousands of people on a regular basis, and you don't want to be on the phone just talking to hundreds of people a day, right? You can send somebody to your phone number. Your phone number is going to pre-qualify them when they call, and it's going to send them an automatic text message follow-up directly to their cell phone, so that way they can get access to your link to take a look at your company's product or service. Now, the great thing about this number is that they also have other options to where if they want to talk to you directly, they just press the number 4 and it will call you directly. Or you can have this number set up to where they press the number 2 and it sends them more follow-up information. So if you're trying to continue the conversation, and again, we're pre-qualifying people, we're creating leverage, you can have this number set up to give your prospect all the information they need to make an educated decision about whether or not they want to join you or become a customer before they even talk to you. So now when you do get a phone call directly from somebody, okay, they're already pre-qualified. You already know for a fact that they are a well-qualified prospect and they are looking to join an opportunity. So this phone number right here, you can get your own phone number set up. Okay, you can have this number on your business cards. You can have this number on your websites. Whatever you're using to promote your business, put this number on all of your promotional material. So again, when somebody calls it, it sends them automatic text message follow-up to any link to any website you want them to go to. Okay, so again, go ahead, call my number just so you can test it out. Okay, just so you can test it out and you can see how it actually works. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the link that you need if you want to get your own number set up. So to get your own number set up, it is only $20 one time. $20 one time to get your own automated text messaging phone number system set up. So you visit that link right below. Okay, it'll take you over to the website where you will learn about all the benefits of this SMS product. Because basically, is what it is. It's an SMS product that you're going to leverage to be able to have your products and services go directly to your customer cell phone. It's doing all the follow-up for you, even before you ever talk to your prospect. What I can do is I can actually screen share really quick to show you. Let's see here. Yeah, so here it is. So this kind of talks about what are you going to get with this SMS product and having your own automated phone number set up. So benefit number one, I've already talked to you about it, is instant auto text message reply. Okay, when they call your number, the system is going to send them an immediate text message to their cell phone with whatever link you want them to go to. All right, benefit number two is you're going to get 24-hour voicemail prospecting, okay? They call your phone number, they go straight to the voicemail, they get all the information they need to make an educated decision on whether or not they want to become a customer or join your team, okay? They also have benefit number three, click to call back voicemail messages. So when they call you, when they get your voicemail, they can click the number 4 to call you directly if you want them to. Benefit number 4 is you can promote whatever you want. So if you're in network marketing, direct sales, if you are a small business owner, you can have your very own phone number set up to promote whatever you want. Benefit number 5 is easy setup. It's only going to take you about 15 minutes to get this set up. When I first created my number, it literally took me 10 minutes to get the entire system set up and running, and I was getting sales and customers immediately after I had my number set up. All right, benefit number 6 is you can use this offline or online. It doesn't matter. Again, with a phone number, everybody has a phone number. Everybody has a cell phone. So when you give them your number, if it's on a postcard, a magazine, a newspaper ad, email follow-ups, whatever, videos, you give them your number, your information is going out to your prospects. And again, benefit number 7, which for me creates the most leverage, it pre-qualifies your prospects so they are not wasting your time. I mean, let's face it, time is the one thing that we can never get back. So if you are jumping on the phone with hundreds or thousands of people who are not pre-qualified, who are truly not interested in your product or service, they can waste your time. But having this automated number set up, creating leverage for you in your business, it pre-qualifies your prospects for you. So again, what you want to do, let me come off the screen share. What you want to do is, first of all, test my phone number. It's like right there, right there. Test my phone number so you can see how it's set up. That'll give you a demo, okay? And then once you are interested in getting your number set up, go ahead and click this link right here below. Go to the website. It is $20 one time to get your automated phone number system set up so you can create some leverage in your business. So this is the Dadpreneur, Zach Shahid. Hopefully you all got some value from that. Again, make sure you also join Dominate Social Media. And once you do, once you go to this website and you have your own number set up, join Dominate Social Media and let me know the results you are getting from having your own leverage phone number system set up. So you all have a great day on purpose.